What's up, guys? It's Ryan, the MX Guru with AOMC, and I'm just kind of wanted to fill you guys in on what's been going on. I want to try to do like a weekly video that just kind of lets you guys know what's been going on in the background. I don't want to be one of those channels that just drops random videos here or there and nobody has a clue, because I want you guys to be engaged and with me and AOMC. So yeah, so for anybody that doesn't know, Hidden Trails Motorsports bought AOMC.MX, and it's more like a merger. They were already a Suzuki, a Yamaha Watercraft, and a Can-Am dealer, and they've invested in a new facility for our website. It's a big place, it's going to be great, and it allowed us to add Yamaha parts, Suzuki parts, and others to the website. So we're growing as a family here at AOMC, and we're moving. So we've been in this location. I've only been here a couple years, but AOMC has been here in this building for like 10 or 11 years, and we're moving to downtown Charleston just at the end of this month, at the end of July. So we're gonna have a great new larger facility, and our dealership is moving into the current Hidden Trails dealership, just a couple blocks away from that facility. So it's pretty exciting. There's a lot of stuff going on, very hectic right now. I actually have my last two projects in this building on the lifts right here, and then I'm about to start boxing everything up in here and take it to the new dealership. So as far as riding plans, you know, I did areas, did regionals, finished like 23rd at regionals, I think. Haven't rode moto, I don't think, since regionals. I've dual sported a few times, some stuff like that, but it's been stupid hot and humid here, and I've had some nagging injuries. I had a cut on my foot, and I pulled my groin randomly on the 4th of July. Don't even know what I did. Just woke up the next day and couldn't hardly even put weight on my legs. So it's just been a weird, between that and the 3rd-degree burns I got back in May, it's been a really weird year for me for riding motorcycles. But for anybody that wants some like behind the scenes photos, some more personal photos, or wants to be a little ahead of the curve and know what's happening a little sooner than the whole subscriber base, you can join the membership over there. It's as little as 99 cents a month. So definitely appreciate anybody that wants to support the channel that way, because in the motorcycle industry on YouTube, the CPMs are very low, and they seem like they just keep getting lower and lower. So I'm definitely not getting rich off any of this, that's for sure. It's definitely been a busy and a very cool month at the dealership, because we've got in a lot of new 2022 models. So you've probably seen I've been dropping a lot of 2022 first starts and unboxes, and I got this assembled the very first Husqvarna mountain bike, the Hardcross HC7. So that was really cool. A lot of exciting stuff happening for sure. Putting together a package over here for Cody Adams. Got a FMF, chain and sprockets. Look at those jet fuel flows. Cody is headed to Loretta's in the Vet 30 Sportsman class. He actually won his regional, so chances are he's going to do pretty good at Loretta's, and he's going to be running AOMC as his primary logo on a shroud. We're pumped about that. We'll be cheering for him down there. Good luck, Cody. And yeah, like I said, guys, that's all I've got for now, but I'm going to try to drop a video like this once a week to try to keep you guys a little more in the loop. And if you think that's a good idea, then either hit the like or leave a comment, and tell me what else you'd like to see. See you in the next one. Also, if you're on TikTok, head on over and make sure you subscribe to me there. We've been growing like crazy over there. Had a couple viral videos, up way over 50,000 followers now. So it's a weird platform, but it's starting to kind of consume my time. So I don't know, pretty cool.